to my channel. It is Liz here. I'm so excited because today I'm going to be doing episode 9 of the Disney series makeup look. And as you guys can see, my base is all put together and we're just going to focus on the eyes. So today I'm going to be doing episode 9 and none other than Moana. And I'm so excited because I feel like this is just very nature-like. And I am very excited for this look. So if you guys want to see how the look is going to turn out, then just keep on watching. Finished makeup look from Moana. I feel like it's very similar to Pocahontas, but at the end, I don't know if you guys saw, but I added like the blue teal on the bottom, and I don't think in camera you guys can like really see it, but in person and in the mirror, like when I'm looking at myself, I can really tell like it's very like I love the look. Like, it's different in the inner corner. I put the teal in the inner corner, so it kind of brings it a different vibe. And when I did the eyeliner, I used the Profusion matte lip cream in the shade Matte Ambition, and I'll link them in the description box below. But I used that, and I feel like that wing, it's like the perfect one I was looking for, because I was looking for like a nice purple. It's also a lipstick. It's, you guys can be here in person to just see this makeup look. I feel like in person it looks much better than when it looks on camera. I don't know if my lighting, I need to change my lighting. I've been playing around with my lighting. But so this is episode 9 of the Disney series, and this is Moana, and I hope you guys all love this makeup look. Like always, give this look a big huge thumbs up. Comment down below what other makeup looks you guys want to see, and check out my series. I'll link it in the end on the cards, so you guys can go check them out. And give this video a big huge thumbs up. Comment down below, like, share, and subscribe, and I will see all of you guys next time with another video.